So Dennis, you be the first one to speak. What is your overall impression about LifeCon Board? Sa mga kasulti.
So, ang
Ay,
reason
tas aha, 30 seconds lang.
sige. Ang reason na to join ko ani kay tungod nawala bitaw ko ang desire nga mo sa ko activities sa
Alright.
income and then at the same time murag sa ko ang past 5 months murag parang iba kanang kung na yung sulod okay kung wala okay ra po so karon murag iba na ko ang why
So, na-inspire kang balik. Salamat. Ikaw, Dan. Isa may mo ika-share.
Dali ka, Sir Boy, at mga ako.
Sige lang kayo, sunod na ako. Dili man in order of personal appearance.
For me, in this industry, go for the big accounts.
Okay.
Ayaw nang ginagmay.
Oh.
How big is big account, man? The big in your mind that you can imagine.
That's good.
Go for big accounts.
No limit.
No limit.
Whatever your mind can conceive,
Yes,
you can achieve.
exactly.
Okay. Palakpakan. How about you, Miss Carol?
Commitment.
Commitment. So,
Commitment. Because if you commit to be MDRT for the year, then you will know how to work on it. So if you divide 2.8 million divided by 100 cases, that's more or less 28,000 premium.
Per case.
Per case. If you go by small cases, because what is counted in the MDRT are the first year premium man. First year
Alright.
premium. Yeah. So if you go on 50 cases, 28,000 times 2, how much is that? 46? 46,000 per case. But if you want to go with smaller cases, so big premium. Yeah, kaya it's easily attainable.
Jumbo
the
cases.
The 2.8 million premium.
Okay. Maraming salamat po. At si Norma ang pagbabalik sa MDRT this year. Kahit tungod, full time na siya. Una, unsa may imong impression? First time naman eh?
Yes.
Alright. So, unsa man? Ganahan ka? Wag ka ganahin? Enjoy?
Ganahan kayo.
Okay.
Kay para kanang re-energize.
Okay, energize, revitalize. Kung sa buhok ka, rebound. Alright.
And then kanang nag-learn.
So, maapas pa ni mong MDRT, right?
I hope so.
By the grace of
And
God.
Pila na imo karon? Pila na?
Nagpakwenta po.
Dako dapat, mga nano na sa 500,000 PC.
Half a million? 500?
Yes.
Di ba PC premium
Hindi, but
man?
based
Hindi,
lang
ang
ana.
premium na.
Sige lang.
Premium, pila man?
No, doon as one.
Hunahuna lang sa
Ano,
imong
next
1
one,
million
eh?
para maka-attend ka sa region next year. But are you happy to be here?
Yes, I am
Yeah,
very
very
much
good.
happy.
Masalamat ka nga na-open balik ang link and then naka-enroll mo sa imong roommate na si Carol Marie.
Yes, I enjoy.
Na leader na po.
Napasalamat po nga naka-attend. Late na ba yan? Yeah. Yes,
So, unsa man imong
na-inspired ko sa
learning, impression, reaction?
many.
Usa lang akong ipangayo. Nakatupis na ka, wa pa.
Huwag pa.
Ah, okay.
Ang MDRT,
Ugma.
I tried.
Sige. Pero try to be MDRT?
Yes.
Okay. Salamat po. Ikaw, Miss Russell.
Yes, sir boy. My first yun sa LifeCon.
This is your first.
Yes.
Alright.
And a very good investment.
Good.
And being with nice people like all of you here.
Alright. So, isa na yung commitment sa mga kagalingon.
Just like Manila in Soler. In Manila in Soler.
LifeCon.
Lampot or Congress, it's similar.
Murag dito siya LifeCon. Maybe second.
Sige lang, kunyara mo paglalis. Basta, isa man overall impression so far, last day na taog na.
Oh, last day. Kanang the best investment in my career so far.
Very good. How about ang atong silingan sa car-car na si Ann? Ano ito si Mami? Si Miss Car-car. Ako mama.
Sir, the first problem, sir, di ba, I told you my problem is what's the method? But now
Method.
my question is answered during the conversation now that it should be start with the commitment before the method.
Yes.
Mura na sa jowa, makommitted gay ka, forever na gina.
Yes, sir. That's my
Ano
learning
sa palain?
lots of learning. I'm happy for this group.
Okay. Happy mo sa na si Ann?
Yes.
na ikaw, Rovel, naunta ang best for the night, pero wala mapansin.
Late man.
Napakita ba siya dito mga kwan? Yeah, naglagot me. Anyway, Rovel, this is your first live con, or were you there last year?
It's my first time, sir.
First time.
And I'm actually excited.
Kasi i-focus ang inyong braids, ha? Kaya libo-libo raman na.
For me, I'm so blessed. Kay it was my UH who kanang encouraged me to join SAD, sir.
Itok-butok mo na yung...
So, for me, kanang padayon, move forward, and take action,
Insik
sir.
kasi sa team.
Lagi.
Nakaibaw siya sa team. Thank you, Rovel. O, ang imong
Thank you, sir, po.
ang imong UH.
Nag-isi kay mag-entertain na.
Tara. As nursing mother.
Yes.
Nursing sad siya, mother po siya.
Apart from soul searching, sir, kay I just got appointed into management role. So, for me, that challenge I took, I want to leverage, I want to scale up my,
The operative word is
speed.
leverage.
And scaling. That's all, sir.
And how about you, Mr. Janos? Is this your first, no?
Yes, this is my first time attending any conferences in Manulife. And I never really had the intention of coming, but it was really them who pushed me into coming.
So mga pusher na sila.
Push talaga. Coerced. Coerced.
So, are you happy to be with this group?
Of course, it was really a pleasant surprise. There are really a lot of better ways of doing things. So, pretty excited.
So,
Would recommend and would buy again. 5-star.
Pareho pa na si Mopa na live and bread.
Live and bread. Handa na pong i-bake.
Okay. And as for me, this is my so many conferences in my 28 years in Manulife. It's like any other. Each time you get a learning, but one of the best learnings I have was from that girl that was hyperactive. Still the same. 10 appointments a week, 2 referrals a day, activity, you'll get to where you should be. And that's it.
Yeah.
Welcome to my vlog! Padayon!
Ang pangutanon sa man nga mystery astrology at the pillar.
Additional 8 MDRTs for your region. Yeah. I sold them 8. Wala ko labot. 8 sila.